at all these goats. Look at that. They love carrots, don't you guys? Yeah.
Here, give him one and then he'll go down.
Look at that. They just eat them right up.
Yeah.
You'll get more. I don't have any.
Here, give him another one.
Here. Come take it. Calm down. Good boy. Good. Good. Huh? What'd you say? There's a black one. There's a black one. Can I feed the black one?
Uh-huh.
You're a hog. Hey, you're a pig. Okay.
Black one, take one?
Not yet. Come here, Blackie. Come here. Good job. You've already had one, Piggy. Here. Good boy. This one doesn't even like carrots. The rest of them love them. That one's taking a piss. Goat peeing. Here comes the horse.